Look at the dress here. What I want to get for my vacation. Yeah. Nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Where's that?
Nordstrom.
Nordstrom?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
You buy it already?
Not yet. 2 months away from vacation.
2 months?
Yeah.
That's a whole heap of time, man. You have enough time.
Yeah, I love it. I get it before though.
I get it before and plus many more.
Well, you never can have too much stuff.
Well, I understand that, but
Choose
you have issues. You have shopping issues. You're a shopaholic.
I have no shopping issues.
You do.
Which part you say we're going to drive through?
Panera bread.
Panera bread.
Yeah.
I love them avocado melt. I love them sandwich. Them sandwiches good.
Yeah, them sandwiches are nice.
Yeah. You know what me that love for though?
What's that?
Me that love for speaking of clothes. Me that love for go through my closet and take out everything when I not wear and like put it in a barrel and ship it to like a queen per live.
Oh, that would be nice. Someone would love that.
But you know, enough people have talk when you get something like, you know, what you have. When you not just buy it, people have talk about old broke and stuff.
But you're not nothing to old broke because you want to give away something you want to wear.
Never. You
Clothes, shoes,
you know me have
bag, whatever it is.
You know me have
away.
enough things with tags on the same way. Or I broke off a tag and
never wear
and
it.
change my mind and I wear it. Me that love for do that. Me that love for just give just a barrel to one person and can sell it, do whatever they want with it.
I ought to be a lucky person.
Yeah, me that love for do that. And me
I
still
would get enough nice stuff.
Yeah, me still gonna do the frame giveaway, but I want to do it one time we have shipping. I got Jamaica just in case to somebody from the win a frame, you know. So I try for all outfit till we're closer to shipping stuff to Jamaica. Yeah. So yeah, but me still have that in mind.
Yeah, man, I would have loved that.
Yeah, frames. I'm gonna find some of my older frames and too, since we talk about it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, in our restaurant. Yeah. What you order?
I don't know yet.
I can't see the board from here.
I can't see the board from here either.
You're warm now in my belly. I'm nice. I'm hungry.
That's what that sound was?
You're not even no friggin' sound. You're lying over now.
Thought it was gonna deaf me.
You're too damn lie.
Thought it was gonna deaf me, man. Me other man.
You're not hear no damn sound.
Rumble.
You're friggin' lie. No sound you're not hear. I'm hungry but you're not hear a sound. I'm gonna be alone can't hear it.
That's what you think.
I'll be alone can't hear it. Damn, come on Panera on the line slow. Move up. I'm not eating a breakfast.
You didn't eat breakfast yet?
No, I'm not eating a breakfast. It's a mess. I don't feel hungry anyways. I feel hungry. Mike eat breakfast. I don't eat no breakfast. I know
sometimes it's for that too.
Yeah, I'm very sometimes it's for breakfast. Morning must have. Super cozy.
Pull forward to pleasure.
Asiago bagel snack. What the hell is that? Limited time. That look good, but when I like you know, cold meat. You know, like
the sandwich meat.
The sandwich meat, them cold cuts in. I like them. I don't know if I because at Jamaica we come from, we used to set a hot in your stomach. You know what I mean? Like, when you start out your day, set a hot. We go down in there.
Hot food.
Hot food, yeah. So people get up and drink like cold glass of milk or juice first thing in the morning. I have to have tea. Yeah, or my coffee. Something hot. Yeah.
Everything hot. Clifford calls it tea. I'm not tea.
Yeah. All coffee, him called
coffee tea. And have to tell
chocolate,
what do you
chocolate
want?
tea. And you know, chocolate is just a chocolate.
Yeah.
Or chocolate. Coffee, a coffee.
Coffee, a tea.
Yeah.
But not him. Want some tea.
I
Let me have to ask, say, okay, what kind of tea
It's
do you
just
want?
a cultural thing. I can't see. So order for me. Let me get my purse. Let me get my purse. I say my bag full of corrosion. I don't know. I can't keep a neat bag. You always full of all kind of crap. No matter. Every time I change bag, it end up the same way.
Okay, can I have,
I want the avocado melted here with add bacon. Yeah.
can I have the, chicken bacon rancher?
Okay, a half for a whole.
The whole?
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, 12:40 at the window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So what happened to my avocado melt?
What do you mean what happened to your avocado melt?
So how comes you drive off on the order for me?
You don't tell me, say, you don't want me to allow you to eat certain unhealthy things when we're off the road. So that's what I'm doing.
But you're not determined when that starts.
You tell me, say, to make a promise to you, say I won't allow you to buy certain things when we go off the road. So me, I keep my promise to you. So if I don't keep my promise, that means say me's a liar. And I'm not gonna lie and tell you, say me I go do something and me not do it. You ask me not to allow you to buy certain things when we go off the road. You want to eat healthy, or you want to do this, you want to do that. So me, I keep my promise.
You know, so I need my dead mother to come down and slap me and just Mama just box me in my face because he come like to make me asleep. So you gotta determine when that start. That unhealthy. But panera bread, you know, so me I starve. Maybe it's sandwich where you order for me. I must
For
eat.
you?
I must eat because you know me today and me not have nothing for them.
Yeah,
You not determine when it's
from you asked
so
me.
me must live off of my fat, that me must do.
From
Me
you-
for name ear pie. Me for drink what me for drink? Me for name ear pie.
From
Oh,
you
me for just
tell
name
me,
smell of your food when it come.
from you tell me, say,
You know, so me not say nothing.
you want me to do that for you. You tell me, say you don't want me
Me not
to
need you to
don't-
repeat a million times what I tell you.
Okay.
You
But
not
you tell me that
You
it
not
start for
determine
me.
when it start for me. Alright, me grown. If I'm sitting unhealthy and stuff like me will tell you when to start. You're not determined say today you start. Because you're not name that the sandwich there and me sit down over here so I dead for hungry today. You understand me? Me need somebody for box me because this can't happen. I must be a dream. I must Vanilla me no in no argument with you. All me
I'm
know
not
you
arguing
now go
with you.
sit down and near me sandwich while me there so I dead for hungry. And me give you my order, me have my money and I like say yeah, pay and buy nothing for me. You understand? So you're not determined when it start for me start eat healthy or my ass, yes, my ass fat, whatever it may be in a phone American term. Me have a gut too, but me no business about that. Me hungry today, me friggin' hungry and me need some food. Me don't talk, you know, ramp with a Jamaican. When it come to them food, when it come to them money, when it come to them family, them they are things in a ramp with. You understand me? So we now go through it. You drive through and we sit down behind car, me give you my order and you just order for you. And you go tell me say, you go remind me about when me and you sit down and chat about not eating out a road. We name put a date to it. Yeah? When you do something like that, we are going to put a date to it. When it begin.
No,
you know decide say begin
no,
today.
no.
Well, me know say you know name.
No.
Me
From you tell me,
name.
you asked me
Me
for
don't
make
talk. Me don't talk.
From you asked me to keep that promise, now keep it. From you asked me about it, and then it stopped.
Amazing
You say next
grace.
time we go to wood, don't allow
Me no
you.
want bury the white girl, so let me just sing a song.
Okay.
Amazing, you know what I mean? Me no want bury your vanilla, so me calm down. For the goodness of God, all my life you have been faithful. All me know say you know name that I miss sit down here and I look on you and eat it. That's all me know.
That means I want to be a good friend. Because you asked me for promise, you say me that me wouldn't allow you to do certain things. So me
Be
I
a
keep my
good
promise
friend
to.
and I make me dead feel hungry. You hurry up and get our food here, darling? Yes. Food.
Yes, please.
You must have a drive and hang on to the bag that you done.
Thank you so much. Hey, give me the food.
You're not getting no food today. I got
Give me
fight
the
and
food.
crack.
Give
Because
me the
you're
food.
not
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
What kind of prank?
It's a prank. It's a prank. Come back, we'll go back to the drive-thru. It's a prank. Give me back my food.
What you mean prank? Oh, you know, oh, you determine it's a prank.
It's a prank.
Oh, we determine that it's a prank.
It is a prank. May I go back to the
Oh,
drive-thru?
we determine so it's a prank.
Give
Oh,
me
me know
back
a
my
prank.
food. See the
What kind of
drive-thru
prank?
right there.
What kind of prank it
Prank
is?
me, I get back at you. May I
Prank
get back
for
at you
what?
for what you did to me. Oh, see the drive-thru where I go back to. Give me back my bag. Me get
So
you
it's a
good.
camera on?
Yes, the camera's on. Me get you, you bigger, you. You bigger? See? See? Bigger,
Chicken
you.
and seafood. Difference. Stupid prank. Stupid prank. Don't prank me when it come to the food. Yeah.
It's a prank. I had to get back at you.
Yeah.
I had to get back at you.
Well, good one. Good one. But don't ramp with me and my food again, please. Yeah, my people think I'm craving. I'm not craving. I'm not eat from morning. Yeah,
I didn't say you're craving.
Yeah.
I didn't say you're
don't eat
craving.
from morning. Yeah.
I did not